The habit that we can build in our lives to be more like Uwais al-Qarni is to cherish the simple and mundane. We look at that to-do list and we see it as an impediment, a blockage for us to get to our goals. But can we flip it on its head? Can we look at those as the opportunities to rush towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? The priorities that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us in our lives. Those people that He's placed in our lives for us to serve and care for. Perhaps you have the blessing of giving a little back to elderly parents that are in your care. Or you have young ones that brighten your day and your home. Or you are blessed with a person of Jannah if you have a person with special needs in your care, in your household, or under your stewardship and care. These things are often unappreciated by people. They're not written in the history books. They're often not noticed. And yet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as-Shakur can elevate through these deeds what a person would not attain with famous speeches, with fame, with cameras, with mention on the tongues of people. So look for the opportunities in your everyday moments. Use your niyyah to magnify the simple deeds.